Yeah, so this is the new grand opening of Mike's Speed Shop. They used to be at a different location, real small, and they moved here because they're growing and they got more space. So they're giving away T-shirts. They're going to have a part raffle. I think they're giving away 20-inch, 21-inch tire, something like that. But anyways, that's where we're spending part of our day and just enjoy it and support a local shop. He's just telling me about this beautiful bike here.
So this is a 2009 Road King. We took it all apart, had a TOL Designs big money kit put on it, had a custom paint job done to it, custom stereo system. If you look right here, if the sun was popping, you can really see it. But this is all real crushed glass inside here, the old school way they used to do metal flake. It's got, if you look over here, it's got the teardrops, the fake teardrops in here, which is actually real water, what he put on there.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
It looks wet.
It does, doesn't it? I mean, it's so realistic. So we got this bike up for sale right now for $25,000. Anybody interested, just give me a shout at mikespeedshop.net or call the shop 817-709-6582.
Yeah, there you go, guys. It's a beautiful bike, $25,000. That's that's cheaper than mine.
Yeah,
and it's got a lot more on it than mine.
We've got up $10 grand in the paint job.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not finished yet though, but.
Now these are bikes you're working on?
These are customers' bikes, yeah.
Okay, customers' bikes.
We just roped it off so people could walk through today.
Okay. Got some apes on that one.
Yeah.
They get you at Sturgis on that.
Right.
You'd have to loosen them.
It's all about making that money.
You have to loosen them so you can pull them down when the cops are looking at you, and slide them back up.
Here's the next bike we're doing right here. This will be a Vicla style. It's a 2014 Softail Slim. 26 front team, 18 rear, DNA Evo spoke rims, fully chromed out. My paint should be here sometime next week, and then I'm sure we'll get it back here and video the paint job on it.
My goodness.
This is the sharp one.
Any idea how much you're going to sell that one for?
$25,000.
25.
Yep.
Man. Well, guys, that's pretty reasonable.
Yeah. Come in
Those
here.
fishtails, it's going to be loud.
Oh yeah, 42-inch fishtails. It's got a Dirty Bird teardrop fender on the back of it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is. Just some of the workings of the shop. Just the shop overall. Got a little Corvette in here. Oil. Got wheels. They will sell to you anywhere in the U.S. Ship them, mail them. Tires. All right, everybody. So that is it. That's Mike's Speed Shop in Pantego, Texas. Nice event that they had for a grand opening. Just really happy to meet the owner, Mike. We're going to do something here in the future together, which I think y'all really like. I'm not going to spoil it right now, but I'm pretty excited to do a little collaboration with him on a specific topic, which I think you guys will like. So, anyways, until next time, like I said, always give me a subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Click the bell for notifications, and be sure and visit the website at rideatwrenchit.com.